I'ma stay true to that as far as I go. This block smelling drop, won't never know. Oh, but that shit they talking is fast on my bro. I did shit for niggas that I'd rather not show. Niggas love the trenches like they rather not grow. Shit makes me frown. My old members wanna take me down, breaks me down. Reminiscing on the cause I'm not around, makes me frown. Why the good always die so young, breaks me down. Just reflecting on the place I come from.